How to change your assistant's character in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're figuring out how to manage your team better in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade, then changing your assistant or support character is actually pretty simple. First of all, launch open the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the menu tab, select Profile. After you open up your profile section, go to the top of the screen and tap on Assistants. Now click the pencil button right next to your current assistants and choose a different assistant you want to change to. After making your selection for the assistants, you can also select the recollection bits and finally click on Formation at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your assistants or your support character. Now once you're inside this menu, you will be able to see your new assistant character displayed. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.